Cam here from Xano Support, and today it's going to be slightly different. We're not going to be doing a tutorial or a build help video, but instead we're going to be doing a review of a recent tool we released. Lachlan, one of our developer advocates here at Xano, has created an AI tool that allows anybody, beginners or experts, or anybody in between, to use the tool trained off of our website data, our developer docs, and our community forum to get their tough questions answered immediately. The way that you use this tool is by navigating to the Xano community forum. In the bottom right hand, you have our Ask AI tool. When you click it, it opens up this modal, and you have some example questions or simply just a chat box to get started. We're going to go ahead and just ask it, how do I import data from existing systems, and see how it works. So it's going to analyze our question, and it's going to look for relevant information. Then it'll return us what it's found. The cool part about this, and what I appreciate the most about this tool, is that it responds with citations. So I know it's not hallucinating, and I have confidence that these are the right answers. So if I wanted to go ahead and figure out where it found this information, all I would have to do is actually click on any of these citations, and then I would be able to be navigated to that page. Now, we, of course, can ask it our own questions, not just example questions. So in this case, if I have an object and I want to add a key value pair, what should I do? So I'll go ahead and ask this question, and it'll do what it just did. It'll crunch and analyze and then return us a response saying that we need to use the set manipulation filter. Now, we didn't specify that we were using our no-code function stack or a Lambda, and so it gave us a pretty general, this is how you do it, and here's a JSON example. So prompting is still going to be important, but with that in mind, you can of course always thumbs up the answer or thumbs down the answer and provide it more information to actively train this bot. Now, we can ask it more fine-tuned questions, and we can ask it fine-tuned questions on brand new features that were just released. So as long as it's within the Xano community, whether it's in our development docs or our site, it's going to be updated very quickly, which means brand new features can be leveraged immediately. Let's go ahead and explore a question. Let's say I have an array by the name of array1, and I want to find all items in this array that have the value of 50 for the key of X. What would my expression look like? I want to use the transform engine. Now, the transform engine and the expressions, it has its own syntax, and outside of Xano, it might take a little bit of time to learn that syntax, but the robot knows it immediately, and it knows it like it's the back of its hand. So we can go ahead and ask it, how do I do this with this transform engine? The transform engine can save you a lot of time, not only from reducing the amount of clicks you have to make, but in terms of processing speed as well. It's super, super fast. And so we ask it, how do we do this? And it returns us this value. If we wanted to filter our list where we return the values where the X property equals 50, this is how it would look. Our array1 variable, our brackets indicating a condition, our $signs representing this, our X property needing to equal 50. Perfect. So in this case, you can see that beginners and experts alike can go ahead and leverage this tool to get all of their questions answered. Whether it's a general billing question or whether it's a how do I build this kind of question, this tool is capable. Now with that, us at support, we aren't going anywhere. You can of course always still reach out to us, ask questions, get support, whether it be through complex builds or how do I do X, Y, or Z, or hey, update my billing information. That's what we're here for, and we're not going to go. What we'd like, though, is to hear how this is actually benefiting you. How is it helping you build? Go ahead and let us know in the comment sections below, or within the community forum, or within your Xano instance, where you can click on the support link in the left-hand corner and start a conversation with us. With that, thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to see what you can build with this tool. Until next time.